Alright guys, so it's Ricky Repairs back at it again. Today we're looking at a 2001 Ford F350 6.8 10 cylinder. As you can see, it has 104,000 miles. Clean title. Says it runs and drives, so it's gonna wait for that. Hopefully we'll get it. If not, it'll be on the next one. See, the current bid is 4,500 with 50, and our max is 52. All right, just gonna wait. It's 4 more cars ahead. As you can see, 4 minutes.
Sold. New bidder.
All right, just keep on waiting. You guys excited to want to bid? Yeah, I don't feel like that truck is gonna go for that low. I feel like it's gonna go higher, but let's just see how high it goes.
Bonus time.
See, that's what I don't like when they give bonus time, because then out of nowhere someone bids.
Sold on approval. New bidder.
Got a 2010 Ford Fusion Hybrid 2.5 4-cylinder. It's for 1,000.
Bonus time.
Want someone bid? Maybe not.
Sold. Your watch item is next on the block.
Alright, so get ready guys.
New bidder.
The truck is next. After this little bit. Just wait and see. Toyota Sienna. So it's pure sale right there. You see
Bonus
that right there?
time.
Pure sale. So whatever the bid is, the last bid, that's the winner. That's the amount.
New bidder.
New bidder. Last minute. Of course.
Sold.
All right, Michigan.
New bidder.
54, 55, 57, 58, 59, 6,000,
New bidder.
62,
Bonus time.
Alright, so pure sale, as you can see, that's the pricing they get it at, 62. Last second, someone decided to bid on it. Sold for 64.
New
So there
bidder.
you have it. We didn't get the truck we wanted, but there'll be another one next time. So yeah. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. So as you just saw, we didn't win the truck. I have my eye on another car. 2005 Ford Expedition 4x4. 100,000 miles. 3 owners. Alright, so my max bid is gonna be 1,200.
Sold.
Right now the current bid is 275. All right, we'll see if we win that. So I have to go. That won't be ready till like an hour and a half. I'll check in later. If not, I'll just let it be and see if I win it. All right.
Sold.
We'll be back again.
Hey, go.